recreate these little poses right here. Imagine just going around trying to do this. I look crazy. My tongue is not that cute. This one, like, does it look like it? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am transforming myself. Can you guess what this is? I'm gonna give you 2 seconds. I'm gonna see if you can guess it. So I am transforming myself into an e-girl today, which I have never heard of before until very recently. I feel like it's like 90s mixed with me when I was 5 years old, but I really like it. It's cute. The makeup looks are so freaking cute for the e-girl looks. But anyways, if you don't know what an e-girl is, I wanna just like tell you what the description is online of an e-girl. This is an overall term. It says an e-girl is a girl or a woman who has an online persona. The term can be used as an insult, a compliment, or a descriptor. So typically they have the blush across the nose. They have hot pink eyeshadow, thick wing liner, and little hearts on the bottom. Also, they have clips, hair like this, chokers, striped shirt. I don't know why I did that, striped shirt, like some type of band t-shirt. I didn't have a band shirt. All I had was this like really long dress t-shirt and then Caesar's random striped shirt because I don't have one, I don't own one. I fail at being an e-girl in life, but I thought it was a really cool and fun transformation. Let me know if you guys want to see more of these transformations. I know that there's the Visco girl going around, so let me know if you want me to transform into that. Also, I have a TikTok, by the way. This look is really popular on TikTok. And somebody said that like there is a dance that these girls do. I don't know. Let me look it up. I've seen this dance because I actually go on TikTok. Are you serious? This is it. Ready? Okay, so that is basically what their vibe is, and I'm just recreating it. Hopefully I gave you girls justice. If you are any girl out there, or this is your style. If I didn't, it was fun. This is my costume. For this look, I did a hot pink eye, which is something that all the e-girls do, is really vibrant makeup. They either do hot pink, vibrant blue, something vibrant on the eyes, really thick wing liner, and so for that I use the Celestial Storm palette, and I also use my topper from here, Eternal Light. I just like popped it on right there. I didn't explain this actually in my video where I talked about the palette. I realized that and I was like, wow, I didn't even talk about how this is a topper. I didn't talk about how this is supposed to be a topper. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 toppers in this palette, and they're really, really cool. These have like a sheer base, so you can see the skin through them. Here, let me use it here. And so it looks like nothing when you turn it on the side, when you flip it around, but when the light hits it, that's when the magic happens. So I'm gonna take Eternal Light and pop it on again, so you can build it up. It's just like almost like diamond-like and really beautiful. So I had that on my lid just because if you got the Celestial Storm palette and you don't know how to use the toppers or you're not used to it, I totally get it. Brands usually like to do this in like a tub and have them loose, but I put them pressed in a pan so you can travel with it and easily use it. So that is the Eternal Light, and that's what I have on my lid. I also have Stargaze. If you go really fast, it's gonna look crazy, like what? That's nothing. But if you put it in the light, it's very reflective. And so how you want to put these on is with your finger, and you want to use a slow, steady pressure, and then you'll get more of that shade. They're really unique. It's all about the light. The light and the way it hits the shadows is really what makes it come to life. So we also have Solstice here, and then you can build that up. So they're a little bit more dry of a formula. And then we have one of the toppers that has a pigment in it. So it's a little bit more pigmented than the rest of the toppers. And that's because of the magenta pigment. You can see through the skin still, there's a little bit more of a base, but it really is made to be used as a topper. And you can build that up. And whenever the light hits it, it turns purple, turquoise, just really, really cool. So these are the toppers in the palette. In case you guys are wondering, like, how do I use this? It's so sheer, the base is like different, but it's really reflective and pretty in the light, so I don't understand. It's just a new texture we're introducing for Dominique Cosmetics, in case you guys are wondering. But anyways, you guys, if you want to see how I got this look or what this is all about, I think this is really cute. I want to do more. Then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can be a part of the Dom fam. And without further ado, let's get into this e-girl transformation. So I have my hair done pretty much how an e-girl would have it. I'm missing a few clips, but I have one clip to represent the hair. And then my hair is in these like weird little ponies. I look like I'm 5, but it's kind of cute. But this is the makeup inspo for an e-girl. It's usually pink eyeshadow, and it looks like so. They have like a pink nose, pink cheeks, something coming down their eyes. This one's super cute, and I think I am going to recreate it. This one's so cute. So I'm trying to figure out, do I want to do the pink and blue, or do I just want to do pink? So I'm gonna just get into the face really quick. I'm gonna set my face with this Fenty Hydrating Primer that just came out that I really have been enjoying. So I just put a little bit on. But when I found out about this e-girl thing, I was like, what is that? Like, what is an e-girl? What does that even mean? Is that emo, or I don't understand. But it actually has so many different meanings. Some of them are a little offensive. Other ones are just really cute. It's usually like a TikTok girl that does like this dance or something, and she has this kind of look to her, right, that I have right now that looks so crazy. I feel like it's Halloween already. Like, this could be considered as one of my first Halloween videos, but it's so fun. People actually dress like this and do their makeup like this, and I love the makeup because it's so creative, it's so different, and that's what really attracted me to this type of look to do a transformation on. And it's just such a different style and like so different from what I normally do. So I'm always like into experimenting with different looks. So I really wanted to do this. I'm gonna put some foundation on. The foundation that I've been loving and using so much is the Pat McGrath Sublime Perfection Skin Fetish Foundation. It is so amazing, so thin. It's not too heavy, but it has that buildable full coverage that I absolutely love. But I do like that if I don't want as much coverage, I'll still get an even soft looking complexion, which is so nice. This has been my favorite foundation. I cannot stop using it. I'm like, let me pick out a different foundation to use for this video, but I'm like, I really like it. So I think I'm just gonna keep using it for now. When I like something, when it comes to foundation, I cannot stop using it until there's like another life-changing foundation that comes out. You go on Instagram and you go all the way down. What is this filter? I don't understand. You go to selfies. See, there's one right here. Super cute and different. But I was like, where is this coming from? It is coming from TikTok. It's an e-girl, and I think it's really, really cute. Would you want me to do a transformation into a visco girl? Because until recently, I was like, isn't that an app? Like, there's an actual girl, like, look to that app? Like, I don't understand. So let me know in the comments below if you want me to transform into a visco girl. That would be interesting. I don't think I am a visco girl or an e-girl, but it's just fun to experiment with these looks. All right, so I have my concealer on. Okay, we gotta brighten the whole face. I'll be back, you guys. Foundation, concealer is done. Now I'm gonna get into the eyes, which is the most exciting part. And for that, we are going to use the Celestial Storm palette. First, I'm gonna put on this really pretty pink base from PLOUISE, just because it's pink and I feel like it goes with the vibes. So it looks like bright pink eyeshadow. So I'm gonna take this shade right here, Lucid Dream. It's like a hot pink. And I'm going to apply that to my eye. Now that I have it in the place that I want to really blend it out on the edges, so I'm gonna take a cleaner brush, not a completely clean brush, which I'm fine with because it has some transition qualities that I like about it. It's gonna help make it look blended if it has a little bit of something on it already. I'm just gonna go over everything and make sure it's nice and soft. This is one eyeshadow, but it almost seems like I have more than one just because of the amount of pressure I put down on my lid will create more pigment on the eye than if you use softer pressure. So that's what I did. So it looks like I have nice depth in the crease, lighter on the lid, and then even more blown out towards the brow. And I have 4 toppers. If you just do this, they look so like sheer, like nothing, but when the light hits them, the magic happens. So gorgeous. And then you can build them up to be a little bit more pigmented. It's just a really cool palette. So I think I'm gonna do Eternal Light on the lid, but I'm gonna add a little bit more hot pink to the crease to deepen it up a little bit. All of the toppers, by the way, in Celestial Storm work better with your finger, just to let you guys know. So I'm gonna take my finger with Eternal Light. You see how it's like really pretty and glittery? And I'm just gonna pop it on right there. But because I wanna get into this little spot right here, I'm gonna take my pigment brush from Dominique Cosmetics and just round it out right in here. I'm just gonna bring it around. And you'll notice with this eyeshadow, there's hardly any fallout, which is usually really hard to achieve when you want it to come off really highly pigmented but you want it to feel soft and buttery. So I'm really excited that we were able to achieve that with these colors. And I hope you guys noticed that in the palette. I'm gonna go ahead and smooth this out right here. Now for the crazy thick wing that I love. The liner I'm gonna use is from Smashbox. It's the Always On liquid liner. So I'm just gonna take that. And is that big enough or should I go bigger? It's cute. It's a really good wing. I haven't done a wing in so long and I'm very proud of it right now. I'm just getting inspo from like everybody's look. Does that look about the same? That looks about right guys? And if you want a little bit more lay down from the topper, you can wet your brush. Too Faced has the hangover. I think I'm gonna wet this brush here and then just grab a little bit of Eternal Light and then just put it right in my inner corner to really make it pop even more. So I'm going to curl my lashes, mascara on, and I will be right back. Okay, for the lashes, these are actually really perfect, you guys. So I'm gonna do these. And I'm gonna take my Laura Mercier powder and just set everything here first. For this look, I'm gonna do just contour and blush because it doesn't look like they have that warm glow or any bronzer on, so I'm gonna stick to their look. So I'm gonna go ahead and contour my cheekbones. I'm gonna use the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette right here. It's kind of like my Ride or Die. And I'm gonna contour my nose. So now we're ready for the under eyes, and for that, I'm gonna take this Milk Tattoo stamp. It's little hearts, which is perfect, so I don't have to draw them out. This looks like this. But they're actually black. There's just little stamps. And I'm gonna do that right underneath my eyes. So line it up. So cute. Okay, I'm gonna do the other side. Hopefully it doesn't come out crooked. Okay, they're crooked, oh my God. Oh well, who cares? That's life. Okay, we're gonna make our own version of a heart right now. Hopefully I can get it the same on both sides. This is giving me my Harley Quinn video vibes. I'm also gonna do a little dot underneath it. Okay, I'm gonna stop before I completely mess this whole thing up, but that's what it looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and do the blush part because that's like a big part of their look. They have blush across the nose, the cheeks. It's all about the blush. For blush, I'm gonna use this one from Ofra, and this is the collab with Madison Miller, which she is such a sweetheart. I love Madison, and she just had a baby. Her baby is adorable. I'm obsessed with her. This is her blush, and I thought it'd be perfect to use. So I'm gonna take my blush brush. This one is the Sigma Large angled brush, and they typically just put blush all over the cheekbone onto the nose, which is different for me. Very, very different. It's a really pretty pink blush. Okay, here we go. We're going on top of the nose. So some of them have it just like on the tip. No, most of them just have it on the tip of the nose. It's more of a densely packed brush, so I'm just gonna take it and apply it to the tip of my nose. It looks like I have a cold or something, or I'm part of the Who family from The Grinch. Oh my God, this is so cute. I actually really like this. And they highlight the tip of the nose. I have this Marc Jacobs highlight right here. It's really pretty. The packaging is gorgeous. It's just a bunch of glitter. And then the highlight on the inside is this pearl pink iridescent highlight, and I think it would go perfect with this look. And it's kind of glittery, so it's more fun. So I'm gonna take this brush right here from Dominique Cosmetics. This is the Packer, and I'm just gonna take a little bit right on the tip of the nose, like right in there. Jouer came out with these balms, and they feel really nice on the lips. Just gonna take a little bit of this one and then kind of blend it out. And then I'm gonna take the clear one. It's like a clear pink. It goes off more clear, comes off more clear, but it looks pink in the tube. And I think we are done. So this is the second option. It's actually the right color, yay. I'm gonna draw a heart on the Band-Aid. Oh my goodness. Oh wait, I did it wrong. I wonder if Band-Aid sales went up when this look came about. Okay, so this isn't sticking to my nose right, but it is very e-girl. You guys let me know if I should do another transformation. Comment below what you want me to transform into next, and that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give us a big thumbs up. We love thumbs on this channel. And also check out our other 2 videos over here if you missed them. I love you guys. I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.